should have everything we need. Pull it out.
I need to pull it out.
Alright. Don't want it to get lost.
So
Open right here, ready. Go for it.
open right. Here's the directions. And always make directions. But first get the stuff out. So here's the glue and stuff. Here's the amount. And here's the coloring. And we have some glitter over there. So let's do the amount that we want. There's different colors right here.
That's what you picked out at the store today?
This is what we picked out at the store today in the kit pack. So we're going the first one out of the glue maybe.
Let's read the directions.
Let's read the directions.
Follow these 4 rules. Do not eat it or any of the ingredients.
Don't eat it.
Don't let it splash in your eyes.
Don't let it splash in your eye.
Wash your hands with warm water and soap after each use. And cover your work area. It can be messy. We can handle it.
We can handle messy.
Fill up a cup. This cup. With 30 milliliters of warm, room temperature water. And a packet of instant snow. Ooh. Talk about the snow.
Instead of snow. That's what you want to use. And it moves around when you want to turn it. And you want to listen to the directions. And you want to get a good amount of water.
The right amount.
Right now we're in this little bowl.
Oh, sorry. Should have let you do that. And then we'll cut the top off of here.
Open.
I'll hold it.
First you want to use
Scissors with an adult.
And they're kid friendly. There
and
you
you
go.
want to pour it
Yep. Dump it in here.
to here.
Yep, and it says to mix until all the water is absorbed.
Can I?
Yes, I just wanted to start to see if it would.
And you want
Interesting.
to keep mixing and mixing.
Yes, you mix that while it says to get hot water.
And we have more water
Okay.
in a bowl.
So let's set that to the side.
Set this to the side and work on this bowl. So you want to add
I'm gonna
this.
cut just a tiny. This is the sodium tetraboric.
So you want to add
Hold on. It says 1 level spoonful.
1 level spoonful with it, and you want to get it really good. And you want to put it in. Whoop. And
Let's go ahead and use the spoon to mix it. Make sure it dissolves completely.
make sure it dissolves really completely.
Look at those big clumps.
And we gotta get those big clumps. And you want to use all of it
Water.
until it is nice and full.
Yes. Just making sure it's dissolving.
Until this
Let's
stuff.
see. Add 40 milliliters of the glue. Do you want to do this part?
Yeah.
All right.
So it's
It's okay.
yeah.
You see that 30 right there?
Yeah.
fill it up to there.
We want to fill it up.
I'll work on that.
Excuse me. We want to take the lid off.
So pour it slower now, because you're only going to the 3-0. Pour pretty slow itself.
And we want to keep going and going. Filling up really
Oh. Here, let's just pour it right into here. Because it says it's 40 milliliters.
slow.
Oh, not in here. Here.
You here?
Oh, this one.
This one?
Okay, you pour that one, or which one do you want to pour?
I want to put this one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Pour it all in. Okay, I'll hold these, you start mixing.
Okay.
Stir, stir, stir.
And if it gets good, you gotta keep mixing and mixing and wait till it gets glue.
Let's see. Put those to the side.
I want to get this glue on the side.
Mm-hmm.
And you want to add some color if
Yep.
you guys
Next.
want.
Entire paint pot. So go ahead and use that to get it all out in there. Mm-hmm. That's pretty bright.
Mix, 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 mix. You want to try to get those pieces. Not very gooey.
Do you want to mix, keep mixing, or just stop?
I'm gonna keep mixing. I want to keep mixing.
Okay.
When you want to stop, you can stop. And then you can move on.
Good?
Yep.
Yeah, let's set this over here. Grab if we need it. And then we're supposed to take 6 spoonfuls of our sodium tetraborate. Spoon it into there.
And one.
Go ahead. It's not a full one, but
Is it?
just keep going. 2. Let's try this. 3. 4. 5. That one's like barely nothing. 6. And let me see the last 2. I'll add a couple more because those aren't full.
Next up.
Alright.
And you wanna.
And then go ahead and stir with this.
You wanna stir again, and it's getting
Whoa. It says
slimy.
to stir until it forms.
Stir until it forms, and then you add the snow maybe.
It just says keep going because it'll change as you're mixing it.
It's getting really slimy. What about that snow?
That's coming up. Haven't forgot about the snow. Keep mixing.
You wanna keep mixing.
See if it'll.
You can add glitter to it if you want.
Keep mixing. I'm gonna try and add some as you go.
And you want to keep adding it, and it will get big. And if you want to switch arms, you can switch.
Okay. It says to remove it and put it in your hand, but it's not thick enough yet. Maybe we'll keep adding some. Oop, sorry. Just gotta wash your hands.
Yeah, put it in that spot.
Do you want me to mix?
It's making very noisy.
Okay. So this is what we're gonna do.
So,
Let's see. Woo! Okay, it says put a big spoonful of the snow and fold it in. So we'll do one. Whoa, cool. It really looks like snow.
yeah.
Feel it, but it feels kind of rubbery. Cool. Oh, this is messy.
Can
Yeah, you can. Sure, absolutely.
I?
So just squish it until all of it goes in.
It feels funny that
You're gonna squish the snow into it.
you want to squish it, but it's okay if it gets out.
This is the messy part.
This is the messiest part you ever want to see this. And if you most want to do this
Fold
one,
it in like
you
you
always want to
squish.
have grown-ups. And it's so rubbery. So you want to keep doing. Keep doing it. Or you can add the bowl closer so or you guys can stand on your knees.
That's a good idea. Smush it in, squish it. You're squishing that snow in there.
Reminds mommy of dough.
Let me squish for a minute.
My hands are all blue. Get that snow off, and it feels kind of rubby, like a sponge. So, you want to keep doing it, but you can get some of that on. You just want to wait and scrape it. And if some pieces fall, you can put it back in. And some are falling out. So, hey, some are falling.
I know.
This is not right. We want to add glitter, guess if you want.
Well, let's save glitter for the other one.
We want
This one
to
doesn't look like it's a success. It looks like it's a...
Which is
Which
fine.
could totally be my fault. But some people may be better at reading directions and following than I am.
it worked out, but it did not stay apart
Together.
together, and it gets on your hands a lot.
Yes.
So,
Definitely messy. Not a fluffy cloud. Could have maybe been too much activator.
Yeah, you don't want to
But-
add too much activator.
Cool feeling. It was our first time trying the kit. So we have another one to try out in your next video, right?
Yeah.
So, like she said, like, subscribe, and let us know what you think of our fluffy cloud snow slime.
did not work out, guys. I'll scratch it.
It won't even
Harry
stretch.
Snow.
It's not even stretching.
If you stretch it real fast, that could be most.
Oh.
It looks scary.
Follow me on Sisi's Craft Adventures on Instagram. Subscribe to my YouTube. See you later.